Today, I will share with you one of the most useful and innovative features in IPTECHVIEW's Blueprint-AR. The AR stands for Augmented Reality. What it means is that on our blueprints, not only do you see your floor plans, but you also see what's going on in these areas. With as simple as double-clicking, you have access to all sorts of additional information that the IPTECHVIEW platform manages, like temperature, humidity, people counting, and even traffic heat maps. Let's see how easy it is. Of course, on the menu, you can go directly to select any specific location to pick a blueprint. But let's navigate to the location using the map view. It's more fun and shows you how navigating to find cameras is super intuitive and can be done entirely on our graphic user interface. Just move around on the map, zoom click, and choose your blueprint from your selected location. When there's only one, you drop right into the blueprint that is connected to the live cameras and the devices for that location. You can touch any camera to see its name, double-click to open up a video port to see live video. Our video ports are dynamic. Each user can resize them to their taste and move them around where they want. They will auto-save to their position, so in the future, you can always go back to the same view or setup you created for yourself. What is unique is that on every camera view that's represented on the blueprint, you will also have a blueprint button that immediately takes you from the live view to the blueprint, highlighting where the camera is. Now, the user has full situational awareness of what's going on where. Users can even double-click on nearby cameras to get a better view or to see 2 or 3 cameras at once in the area, even on their mobile device. As you know, IPTECHVIEW is a proactive surveillance system, and each user can select what notifications and alerts for what cameras and at what time the user wants to receive them, either by SMS or even email. What's really great is that when you get an alert, you will get a message that will open up to the live view for you to see what's going on. Let's see an example of how IPTECHVIEW and Blueprint provides users with unmatched situational awareness. I just received an SMS alert of something that triggered an alarm on my phone. I just click the link in the SMS and I see something that's happening at one of my locations, but I don't know exactly where the camera is. All I have to do is just click on the blueprint symbol and I will immediately see the blueprint with the camera highlighted. I can even see the live view playing. This is information that may be critical in the case of emergency and can easily be shared with your team members or with law enforcement. Let's say you don't view the alert immediately and come in at a later time, like the next morning. With your cloud storage subscription, you will see the specific recording of what caused the alert. And any recording too can easily be shared with team members, management, or law enforcement as well. Blueprint was designed to view all of your devices and useful data. For example, let's take a look at room temperature, air quality, people counting, and even courtesy temperature scanning devices to scan for elevated body temperature, and other devices like access control. Last but not least, let me end with one of our more advanced analytic devices. We have a license plate recognition camera in our parking lot that can see the plates of vehicles that enter and exit. We will end here for today. Please look out for our next video on what all we can do with license plate recognition. See the big picture with IPTECHVIEW's Blueprint-AR. Turn analytics into action and information into insights. Thank you and see you again soon.